Today we're gonna make some juicy juice. The juicy level is definitely beyond your imagination. Look, all of the ingredients we have right here. We have lamb kidneys. We have boiled chicken breast. Not too bad, not as bad as this fucking lamb kidneys. All right, what else do we have? We have blueberries, salmon, raw egg, some vegetable powder, and 1 scoop of creatine, and some spices, ground cardamom, ground cinnamon. All right, let's get started. First, we're gonna put this stinky lamb kidney in this cup, and then add those chicken breast, and then add those salmon, add those vegetable powder, creatine, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, most importantly, blue cheese. Let's get a big chunk of blue cheese. Let's add more. All right, I think that's enough. Let's add water now. Let's get this shit running. Oh. No, I forgot to add blueberries. Let's add it. And then the egg. Oh!